welcome back. We're quite a long way since we've done our last vlog now. I think the last time we were in Italy, but we've been to Spain, but we didn't do any video in there. But we've had a little bit of a break, but we're back now.
But before all of that conversation, what's happened over the last 2 years? Quite a lot has happened, right? Well, especially in the last few months, what's happened?
Well, we've had a wedding, and
you did,
yeah. And then we've got a little grandson.
Yeah, quickly followed by a wedding. Usually comes a grandchild. So
it was a year break.
That's good. It was done properly, as they say. So we got a little grandson, which is pretty awesome. And I'm sure he's going to be watching these videos back later in life, thinking, "Oh my God, my grandparents were embarrassing." But we'll leave this here for a memory for him, I think. So today, where are we today?
We are in Willicombe, yes, and then we're in a place called Twitchin. Campsite, which is lovely as well. The sun's shining and it's like out of season as well, so it's quite empty in the campsite.
Yeah, it's like it's March the 20th. Yeah, 20th. Yeah. So it's March the 20th day. So out of season, it's like being here in the summer, but out of season when nobody's here. So it's pretty awesome. Had to work today, so we travelled down last night. Thursday night, and we stopped on the A361 in a kind of you call it a lay-by, but it's actually a lot more than that. It's like an air, really, but without services. Got a cafe and things, so it was all right. Good night's sleep, wasn't it?
Yeah, I slept really well, actually.
And then a little maybe 45 minutes on from there into Willicombe, parked up this morning, got some work done, and then continued on to the campsite where we checked in. So
well, I took the dogs along the beach as well, and it was so empty on the beach. It was so nice. Took them for a little run, and bought some coffee back while you were working, didn't I? And
yeah, that was nice.
We had some biscuits and
so we've been here before, and we figured out, we hadn't realised it was only last year that we had come here. So yeah, it was last year we were here almost at the same time, and the weather wasn't quite as good as this, but so we've really lucked out with the weather. But yeah, hopefully we'll have some bits and pieces to show you this weekend. Not much of a travel video as such, because we're in one place, right? But we have got a lot of exciting stuff coming up. So it's holiday central this year.
Yeah,
so,
we're very busy this year with holidays. So.
I think I worked it out. We're actually away for 10 weeks this year. So some working, I've got to work some of those days, but most of it holiday, I would say. And just as a surprise, the first trip is coming up. We're heading off to the Dolomites. Which we're really looking forward to in April into May. So not long now. So weeks away, only a few weeks away. Not quite sure of the journey down and what we're going to see. We've got things listed on the map, but you know what it's like where we travel. We just work it out as we go along. So
and a few surprises we got as well, haven't we? That we can bring to you.
Yeah.
But we'll let you know further along the line.
Yeah.
Now we're standing on this headland, so in waking up our eyes, North Devon in the rear, as the sun slips from the skies, every wave that breaks below us feels like a welcome back surprise. We're back on the road again, rolling tape on all these golden quiet days, for the boy who shares our light and the ones who might arrive along the way. If you find us in the pixels long after we are gone, little one, know we loved you in advance. We're back on the road again, beneath the beams of the old barn doorway, vows that made us both start to cry. Then you showed up, little heartbeat, small fist curling round a thumb that night. Life keeps changing while we're watching, trying to catch it in this frame, so you'll see the way your grampy and your nana spoke your name. We're back on the road again, from the cliffs of North Devon to the mountains in the snow, Austria and the Dolomites. Oh, where we're bound to go. If you find us in the pixels, chasing light between those mountain bends, no, we carried you in mind. We're back on the road again. from the highest mountain we filmed. Maybe you'll be searching for the roots that pulled you in. Follow these old footprints through the clouds and through the years. Every frame a little letter saying, kid, we're glad you're here. Every mile a quiet promise, every edit just a thread that never dies. Looking out from North Devon to those Dolomite mornings in our eyes. We're back on the road again.